So number one, we're supposed to do g of f of x, or we could do it the other way, f of g of x, and see if that equals x. If it does, they are inverse functions. So in other words, does g of f of x, close, equal x, question mark. If it does, they are inverse functions.
Yes.
So on number one, is 4 minus 3 halves times, instead of x, plug in the other function, 1/2 x plus 3 halves. It should work both ways, by the way. Not either way. If this equals x, then the answer is yes, they're inverse functions. If it doesn't, we're going to put no. So what should I do first?
Distribute the
distribution properties.
He said add. Oh my god.
Yeah, add the
3 times 1, 2 times 2.
That's still not adding.
3 times 3, 2 times 2. Is this going to equal x?
No.
No. Those could simplify, but at this point it doesn't really matter. So, no. Or not function. Let's see what they just put. Number 3. Is this going to be a yes or no?
This is going to be a yes.
Okay, you guys tell me, how could I set it up? There's 2 ways to do it, but
You can put the one for the m. That's all.
okay, thank you. Somebody tell me what to write.
Negative 16 plus 4n plus 16 divided by 4.
Okay, I have a better feeling about this. Negative 16 plus 16.
0.
0. 4n divided by 4.
Is it 0? 1.
Well, 1n. So what does that mean?
It's
Yes, they are inverse functions.
I'm pretty sure I'm like the sign. What month were you born in? August.
Okay, number 5. Somebody besides Josh.
I got it.
Can I do it?
No, I said I got it. So you do 3 plus.
This might be the hard one.
Oh, I should have done the other way. No, let's do it the other way.
Yeah.
Do negative.
Yeah, that might be hard about the way actually.
Do negative parentheses 3 plus n that the 3 plus 1 and then another 3.
I put parentheses around this. Doesn't really matter.
Cube. That's what I'm doing.
Cube, yeah, or to the 3rd power.
Cubes.
You know, I didn't really need parentheses around the thing, but sometimes you do, so.
Yes.
Alright.
Yes.
So I have 3 plus 1 in here, that would be 4. Okay, we actually don't have to do all this, because if 4 plus n cubed, is that going to equal n?
No.
No, so we don't actually have to do it. So we can stop there and say, no, it won't. That would be a lot of work.
Someone else should do the next one.
Yes.
Yeah, somebody besides Josh and Daniel.
This next one looks terrible.
Make Charlie do it.
Charlie, you want to try?
Or someone on
It's
that
kinda,
side of the room.
it is a big one, so.
I feel like that side of the room should start talking. They're really quiet.
All right, shh, shh, shh.
4 divided by negative
I'm going to put a big parentheses.
negative 1 over x plus 3 minus 2 plus 2.
You should do it. There you go. No.
That's scary.
So it looks like a mess, doesn't it? Anybody have a bright idea?
You can distribute the negative.
These 2 negatives cancel out, so I guess we can get rid of that. Let's see if I can move. No, shouldn't have done that.
It's just gonna be
Okay.
I guess that can go for Tom.
Let's do this. To add fractions, you need a common denominator, right? So 2 over 1, if I multiply by x plus 3, it would be like that. All this not going to work anyway, probably.
There's no way that is a yes, so let's just put no.
Alright,
Don't jinx.
so we have, so basically this is 2x plus 6 right here, plus 1. So it's 2x plus 7 over x plus 3. What was it, minus a plus 2 out here that I erased? Yeah. Okay, when you divide a fraction, it flips and multiplies, so it's really like 4 times x plus 3 over 2x plus 7.
That's not gonna work.
So you get 4x plus 12. It was actually really close. Makes me wonder if I made a mistake.
No.
4x plus 12, that's like 4x is twice of 2 times 2, right? Oh well, never mind, we got that. Okay, never mind. Yeah, it's not working. We're not heading towards x here. It's just a big mess. Let me see how many yeses there are. That'll probably help you guys.
Every terrace is muscle.
Okay, on the evens, so we got 1 yes. On the evens, there's 2 yeses and 2 nos. So I'll let you guys know if you're on the right track. All right, next section. Find the inverse of the function h of x equals cube root of x minus 3. Now, how did we do that?
Flip the X and
Okay, turn this into a y, and then switch x and y. So this is x, y, and then we solve for y. So how do I get y free of everything?
Add 3.
Add 3.
To the cube.
I'm gonna switch the sides just because I want to. So add 3, it'll be a plus 3 over here, then I swap sides, so it's x plus 3. Then what?
Then you're going to cube the x plus
Cube both sides to get rid of the cube root, so y equals x plus 3 cubed. Now, if we wanted to, we could, so in other words, the inverse function